Akerit na esipe joyit Isomeroi Luko North Road Primary School nesi ayanga unit akerakalu adolete lukumuni ongon akwatauni akaisauni aluoni Sam Odongo e commissioner lo ashoman kedabole asho adokta naka physical education ngesabu ilip apolokintok ajakanuto ajinebe itosomaite ikapulu jukare kina pugan kanu abole asho kotoma aina petaka ngun.
Districts, cities and municipalities, we are requesting for promotion of sports talents, maintain the slots of the sports officers. Is that agreed? Maintain them, do not sell them off with others. 2, districts, cities and municipalities, local governments, please, as the minister we are saying, and my minister is emphasizing, use the co-curricular grant given to you for the right purpose. Do not divert the funds.
E district aloko Serere, Amuria, Ngora, Katakwi, Kumi municipality, Kumi district, Kesi i districtan Iche, Kotomoteso, Luapotu, Isamata, Ejok. Emmanuel Arego, Apollo Kinton Aboliasho, Kotomo Semerlu ka Puraimare, ko district aloka Muria, Mesabu, Kituru Akeraka Kej, Kanu Aitelekar, Ikopon, Imidalin, Kotoma Aboliasho Kangun.
Ejainga muno ukaru loilo si masakafo ball games, ibuni sada kune kopola jokani no adoke na kere, nara akafaina kosi, Tekoro
Emmanuel Osilo iko kuyenabu iteleka imidalin kanu e districtalo Amuria adoketat na idwali kartomanangon ngesi elakanar kanu ay telekar imidaliningun
Eborelo arasom kagogo adum ne midali ngesi beray salam kitor ngala subana ananga kingadum ne midal tilo na petanu kana everything ayatayne alos ko nga salam kin pala chama ni ngo Akerit ukarungon bobo amina nga chiba tabongon bu Akerit ngesi bere salam ena peta alos ko nga akota poror kinga akota nga soma gogo esini ko kiti ichena de ngwa cham na Akerit ajok na barada.
Apolone Cholong, Uganda Primary Schools Kids Athletics Paul Musigire, ngese tijina tebe, enabalo districtan, luda etolo seta bolianin okarukalo, kesida eyata kina.
In this country, since the inception of kids athletics in 2012, as on communicated in Mbarara, this has been the only district that has held the highest number of districts in this championship to the tune of 130. It is of an overwhelming number which has beaten the understanding of the majority.
Gabriel Esikukanuka TV East, Koibuga Mbale.